Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to do marble gel nail by yourself. If you like DIY gel nails and you're struggling to make perfect marble nails, this is exactly what you need to watch. So here are the things you need to create marble nails. We're going to show you two different marble nail designs here. As you can see, I already applied base coat gel and cured it. So for this one, if you're done with the base coat, apply the color gel and this will become the base color. As for the second design, I will start by applying the clear gel on the whole area of the nail. And this will make it easier to create blurry marble design. So this time we're using turquoise-ish blue and quite pale brown. It's almost like pinky brown, but you can just use any colors you want. Well, you can try dabbing the border lines between two colors, and this will make the look more natural. Keep dabbing the colors on the nail, and if you're happy with the look, cure the gel. Now we're back with the first design with creamy white base color. Pick the darker color like pale gray or pale brown with your nail art brush and draw the fine lines. What you want to avoid here is drawing the straight lines because it makes the marble design more artificial. So I recommend to draw the curved line or branched lines, and that makes the marble look more natural. And if you don't have a nail art brush, don't worry about it. You can also use the tip of a square nail brush. Once you're done with drawing the lines, Wipe off the color gel of your nail art brush. And now we're going to blur the lines using the clear gel. Please make sure not to erase the lines, but to try spreading the lines to the side. If you're happy with the look, let's get the gel cured. If you want to make the marble lines stand out, add another layer of the color gel on the lines and cure the gel again. So this time we're using the white color gel to create these fine lines. But it's entirely up to you, so you can use any colors of your favorites. Marble is such a chic design to have on your nails, and many of you might think, oh, that looks too difficult to do it by myself. But it's not that hard actually. If you keep trying and keep practicing, well, you can make your own marble nails.
seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
Then, to create even more gorgeous looking marble nail design, we apply some glittery color gel on the nail. However, you don't want to ruin those fine lines you just drawn, so make sure not to dab it on the lines. And finally, apply the top coat gel on nails and draw them.
I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!